Man, yeah.
You want me to try to drag it through here?
Oh yeah, that'd be perfect, man. Thanks.
I don't know if we're gonna hung up in this dirt or not.
You don't mind I put you on my YouTube channel, do you? Thanks. You the man. That's exactly where I needed it. All right, YouTube. See the engine fresh in the pack. About to open it up, put it in that X6 right there. It's going in there because if it ain't foreign, it's boring. We got the X6 looking lively. One of the cylinders has low compression. It's this cylinder right here in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and do a compression test and show y'all the cylinder right there in the back with low compression on it. So that means the engine is shot. We're gonna have to replace it. I got this engine right here to replace it with. And we're gonna put this bad boy and that bad boy. We got all brand new components going in this vehicle. We have all the brand new injectors, spark plugs, coil pack, oil filter, housing gasket, thermostat, water pump. We got everything going in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop that in for this customer. You guys know the drift build, of course. It's almost ready. It's almost done. And I can't work on the drift build until I'm done with the customer's vehicles. But just to put a sneak peek in there, I'm gonna go ahead and go over the dual caliper setup that I put on this thing. I got a dual caliper setup that I'm setting up. I gotta put some stabilizer links on there. I got my push start that's about to go in. And as we know it, we got all the brake lines. All the brake lines for the e-brake setup. Thank you for tuning in just for foreign. Where if it ain't foreign, it's boring. Thank you for tuning in, guys.